لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك.
Assalamu Alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey of spiritual significance as we delve into the history and significance of Hajj, the Islamic pilgrimage. Hajj, one of the 5 pillars of Islam, is an annual pilgrimage that millions of Muslims from around the world undertake. It is a journey to the holiest city in Islam, Mecca, located in the western region of Saudi Arabia. The roots of Hajj can be traced back to the time of the Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, also known as Abraham. According to Islamic tradition, it was Prophet Ibrahim who was commanded by Allah to build the Kaaba, the sacred house of worship. As the story goes, Prophet Ibrahim, along with his son Ismail, peace be upon him, constructed the Kaaba as a place of monotheistic worship. It became a symbol of the unity of Allah and a focal point for believers. Over time, the Kaaba fell into disrepair and was rebuilt several times, but its central role in the pilgrimage remained unchanged. Today, the Kaaba stands as the most sacred site in Islam, and its black cloth covering, known as the kiswa, is changed annually. Now, let's delve into the rituals that make up the Hajj pilgrimage. Hajj consists of a series of acts performed over a span of several days. The first major ritual is Ihram, the state of purity and sanctity that pilgrims enter before entering Mecca. They wear simple white garments, signifying equality and humility before Allah. The next ritual is Tawaf, where pilgrims circumambulate the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction, expressing their devotion and seeking blessings from Allah. On the second day of Hajj, pilgrims gather on the plain of Arafat, just outside Mecca. It is here that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, delivered his famous farewell sermon. After Arafat, pilgrims proceed to Muzdalifah, where they collect pebbles for the next ritual. These pebbles will be used to perform the symbolic stoning of the devil at 3 pillars in Mina. The final rituals of Hajj include shaving or trimming the hair, performing Tawaf al-Ifada, and returning to Mina for further days of symbolic stoning. These rituals commemorate the obedience and submission of Prophet Ibrahim and his family to Allah. Hajj is a truly remarkable experience that brings together Muslims from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and languages. It is a powerful reminder of the unity and universality of the Islamic faith. And that concludes our exploration of Hajj, the Islamic pilgrimage. We hope this video has shed light on the rich history and significance of this sacred journey. Remember, dear viewers, the essence of Hajj lies in fostering unity, humility, and spiritual renewal. May all those who aspire to undertake this journey have the opportunity to do so. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Assalamu Alaikum.